Yeah, I think that the use of indices per se is something that's going to become more and more important as time goes on, because I think, as we were saying in the session earlier this morning, there's a lot of data out there that needs to be captured and used in an efficient way. And at the moment, from a ship management point of view at least, there's definitely room for improvement as far as that's concerned. And that's why the SEAMP initiative, which V-Ships has been very keen to push, is going to make use of the data that's available. It's been available for some time, but not really been capitalised on. And I think that is definitely something that should be pushed and should be used as much as it possibly can be, because it's crazy in a way to have all this data available and not use it to make ships more efficient. I definitely, unfortunately, do not see an improvement in the economic climate in the next 12 months. I think sitting here in Germany, you could be forgiven for thinking there isn't a recession because everything seems to be okay, but it's not completely okay. But I think in terms of shipping in general, the global economy, I can't really see a significant improvement at all in the next 12 months. And having said that, I think from a finance point of view, access to finance for either new buildings or retrofit technology from the banks is going to be difficult. We heard about that this morning. But I think there are going to be other sources of capital that will step in and fill the breach, like private equity. And I think 2013 will be a year when we'll definitely see more of that. Well, I think in terms of the last 10 years, the advent of regulation, which was probably long overdue in many people's opinion. Obviously, the SEAMP initiative, MARPOL, is something that has pushed the agenda forward, and I think that's whether it's CO2 emissions, whether it's low sulfur fuel, that kind of thing. I think that's set the ball rolling. But I think one thing is for sure, that what we've seen in the last 10 years is only the start of what we're going to see in the next 10 years. And I think increased regulation, whether it's ballast water treatment or the next tiers of CO2 and sulfur emissions, they're going to make a huge difference. And I think the whole shipping industry is going to have to up its game and adjust to that.